Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Pickbox size in your crosshair cursor. So that little bitty square you see inside that crosshair, we want to change the size of it. So you can change it either smaller or bigger. So to do that, we're going to go down here to the little wrench, left click, it's going to be customized. We're going to left click on that. Then we're going to go all the way to the bottom where it says options and left click on that. It's going to bring up this sheet that gives us a bunch of options. And then we're going to go all the way over to the right and click on selection. So there we go. Then right up top here, it's going to say pick box size. And we can adjust this size up or down with this slider. And for this right here, we'll make it big. We're going to come down and press OK. And as you can see, that pick box size inside your crosshair just got a lot bigger. Now we can also make this smaller or non-existent, so go back down here. And this is how you're going to want to change it back to if you decide you want it back to the size you had before. We're going to go back here and we are going to go all the way down to this little guy. Click OK. And there you go. As you can see, you have a tiny little square in there. So if you didn't know, now you do.